Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Telegram username on your PC using Telegram Desktop. Your Telegram username allows people to find and contact you without needing your phone number. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Click the three-line menu in the top left corner, then click Settings. At the top of the Settings page, you'll see your profile information. Click Add Username or click on your current username if you already have one. A username window will appear on the screen. Now enter the new username that you want to use. Telegram usernames can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. The username must be unique, so if the one you choose is already taken, Telegram will ask you to choose a different one. Type a unique username, for example, your name followed by a few numbers. Once the username is available, click the Save button in the bottom right corner. Telegram will update your username immediately. Your new username can now be shared with other people, and they can find your Telegram account using that username instead of your phone number. If you ever want to change it again, simply return to the same username section and enter a new one. That's how you can change your Telegram username on PC using Telegram Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram Desktop tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.